Hi everybody, it's Jen Sheffer. Thank you so much for joining me for today's training tutorial. Today we are looking at Seesaw and how we can use the audio recording feature to create an interactive listening activity for our students. This is ideal for fundations or spelling tests or any other type of audio activity that you need to do with your students. So as you can see here, this is a fundations activity where students will be listening to a word that I've recorded, and then they will identify if it's the OO sound or the OU sound. So if I click on this audio, spoon, you can hear that I have recorded my voice, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So if I go to page 2 in this activity, I have 8 additional words for students to listen to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a third page, and I'm going to add the sound icon onto this page. I did a quick Google search, and I see the sound icon here. So I'm going to hit Alt on my keyboard on my Chromebook, and I'll be able to copy the image. Then when I go into Seesaw, I'm going to hit Control V to paste that sound icon. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record myself reading that first word on that second page, which was blue. So I'm going to click the microphone. It will count me down, 3, 2, 1. Blue. I'm going to click Done. Then what I can do is drag this and then resize it to make it small. And then I can Control C, copy that, go on to page 2. I can Control V to paste it, drag it and position it where I need to go. On this page, I can resize it smaller if I need to. And then I'll go back to page 3. I can click here and delete that, and then I'll just repeat that process for the remaining words. When I'm done, I can just simply click on the 3 dots here on page 2 and delete this page. Now when my students open this activity, they will be able to read the word, but also click and listen to the audio recording. So again, this is ideal for any type of interactive listening activity you need to do with your students, regardless of the curriculum area or the grade level. I hope you have found this tip useful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the BPS EdTech team. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you soon.